On the Curtis Johnson team, our agents make sure to sharpen their skills here in our team office in Chandler before going out and meeting clients for the first time. Well, that mainly consists of role-playing and practicing different parts of the home buying process with our coaches and other teammates. In this video, we're going to check out Agent Keen Kennedy doing a role play of a first-time home buyer appointment with our coach, Justin.
Hey, Justin, Keen, come on in. Yes, sir. How you doing?
I'm good, thanks.
Good to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Come on in, come on in. Now, can I get you anything to drink? We got some water in the back. We got some bottled water, Pepsi.
No, I'm okay.
products. You sure?
All right,
okay.
thanks, yeah.
Well, come on in. You ready to find your dream home?
Yeah, I mean, we'll see. I've been looking for a while.
You know, I can totally imagine. Well, welcome in.
Cool.
You have to go ahead and take a seat.
Awesome, thanks.
And so this is really going to be our buyer package. You know, when we spoke on the phone, I told you I'd get you a little bit more information on our VIP buyer program.
Mm-hmm.
And this kind of video here is really kind of go into a little bit more detail of, you know, really kind of how we operate.
Mm-hmm.
And then right after the video, you know, I'm just going to go over kind of a few details that we talked about over the phone, you know, kind of what you're looking for. And we'll get you out and looking at some houses. Sound good?
Sure, yeah.
Okay, great. Sounds awesome, huh?
Yeah, no, I've never heard anything like that before.
Right, no, it's pretty spectacular. You know, we're definitely, you know, one of the only teams.
Oh, okay. Cool.
Now, if you feel comfortable with that, we just need you to authorize the paperwork here. Just like in the video, just need a quick initial. Just going over, you know, that, you know, saying that you want to be a part of this program.
Oh, okay, so I need to sign this to be a part of the program?
It's no signature.
Oh, okay. All right.
All right, fantastic. And I know, Justin, we were speaking on the phone previously. Now we're going to get to the fun part. We're going to start looking at some homes here.
Okay, good, yeah, that's why I'm here.
When we were talking recently, you know, you're currently in the Ahwatukee area, but you do want to be moving a little bit closer to the city. Now, I know we were talking a little bit about Gilbert, Chandler being a little bit more close, but it's a little bit, you know, a little bit farther east, you know. Is that kind of still the area that you're looking at?
I'd probably say, yeah, Chandler, Gilbert.
Okay, Chandler, Gilbert.
Yeah, we'd be most interested.
Gotcha. And then as far as, you know, we were talking before, you're currently in a 3-bed, 2-bath. You're looking to kind of, you know, stay around the same thing with your daughter soon to be graduating. You know, you don't want too much more space, but, you know, you want to see something if you can get a little bit more upgrades or something like that around the same price.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, gotcha. Just want to make sure that didn't change at all. And then as far as a pool, I know we talked and, you know, it wasn't a huge deal if you had a pool or not. Has that changed at all?
I mean, it'd be nice, but we understand if it doesn't.
Right.
That's okay. It'd probably be less work for me then.
Right. I totally understand. Now, as far as square footage, I know before your home currently is about 1,800 square feet. Now, when we talked before, you're looking to maybe be around that 1,500 or still maybe a little bit around there, but maybe slightly smaller than before. Is that correct?
Yeah, probably nothing less than 1,200 though, I'd say.
Nothing less than 1,200? I gotcha.
Yeah, because when she comes back to visit and you still want to.
Now, you're in a single story now. When we talked, you still wanted to be in a single story now. Is that still the same, or are you open to maybe potentially a,
No, gotta be a single story.
Single story?
Yeah,
I gotcha.
I'm getting older, I can't do that.
I totally get it. I know. Those stairs can be a real pain sometimes. And what I'll do now is I'm just gonna pull up a few kind of options to kind of show you what's on the market right now, kind of in that area.
Okay.
And kind of show you a few different homes that are, kind of be available. So you take a look, kind of what you like, what you don't like, and we can go out and tour them right after we're done here.
Sounds good.
And then as far as budget, before we spoke, you wanted to keep it under 400,000. Is that still going to be around, the same price point that you're looking at currently?
Yeah, I'd say so, yeah.
Perfect. So put max 400 here. And this is just kind of a little inside scoop to kind of how we kind of do things here to kind of show you, really exactly what's on the market where.
Oh, so those are the homes there that are available.
Correct.
Okay.
Yep. And then as we're just punching in, the different items here, it'll start filtering them out.
Oh, 17, all right.
Excuse me, I put that in the room. There we go.
Oh, okay. All right.
All right, so you kind of see there on the map right here, this is kind of all the locations. Now, is this going to be a little bit too far west? Are you okay with that kind of?
No, I think that's fine because it's close to the freeway. All those look pretty close to the freeway within a few miles. So
Okay, so within all this kind of region right here, you'd be okay with?
Yeah.
Okay,
yeah.
Fantastic. I'll just go ahead and pull up the results here. Absolutely. Kind of nice flow for the kitchen there as well. So if you're cooking or things like that, you can still kind of get some entertainment purposes still.
Got like 2 islands there. Oh wow.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that one could work because they just want to have kind of one big living area. Oh, okay. That's so works out. They want to have kind of one big living area.
Okay. This would be kind of a nice little office space, or I mean, you could really even almost potentially make it like a little, I know with Madison moving out, you could almost make it a cool little sport, or either like game room or like a little kind of bar room, something like that.
Yeah, we probably do office, yeah. Oh wow, barn doors, that's neat.
Mm-hmm. And then with the nice elevated fireplace on the wall there as well.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, what do they think of that?
Yeah, what do you think about that? What do you think about that fireplace there?
It's okay, I mean, I don't know that I actually put it in my house, but yeah, elevated fireplace seems kind of funny to me. That's a nice backyard.
Yeah, nice, decent sized backyard.
Yeah, I could put a pool in if we wanted to.
Absolutely, definitely looks like it has the space, and it has that little fire pit there too, so it looks like you could do a little bit of something right there, whether you want to put some additional pavers around that and kind of make it a little section there where you could have a little walk up or something like that. Now, do you like the grass? Do you hate the grass?
I love the grass.
Love the grass? Okay, because I know being from the Midwest, we don't.
Yeah, I like the grass, yeah.
For sure, okay.
Different home now.
Absolutely, yep. And then, actually, I will just minimize this. There we go. And then, so the first one's gonna have a little bit better pricing on it. It's gonna be $339. However, with the different painting style and stuff on the inside, there may need to be a little bit of updating stuff done.
Okay.
But do you like that style? As far as what you saw there with the backyard and things like that. Is the backyard gonna be big enough for you?
I think so. That will be plenty big, yeah.
Okay, perfect. Then we'll move on to the next one here.
Oh, that was a little more upgrade now.
Absolutely.
Okay. Oh yeah, I like that. Yeah, I love the colors, man.
The kitchen is a little bit more closed off, but it does have a great open space there with high vaulted ceilings. Great color tones as well.
Yeah, I like that a lot.
And it does have the pool as well, so it's really, you know, really win-win because it has that good sized backyard and a nice pool to relax in the summertime if you want it. I know you said it wasn't important and, you know, it can be expensive, but it isn't, you know, a possibility to have and that you said you'd be open to.
Yeah, I think that one's okay. You got the grass there on the side, so that's not too bad. Oh yeah, okay, that's bigger than a book. So fruit trees, yeah, cool. Yeah, no, I like that one a lot.
Okay, now on a scale of 1 to 10, you know, what would you probably rate it just on the pictures, you know, as far as
well,
your
compared to the
interest
other
level?
one, it's way better. So,
All right.
you know, maybe if I guess the other one's a 5, I guess maybe then this one would be like an 8 or 9, maybe.
Okay.
So that's on, what are the cross streets? That's in Harvard, Gilbert.
Right. So that is going to be off of Wrecker and Guadalupe.
Okay. All right, so a little bit further east.
And we can
That's
actually
okay.
pull up the map for it as well. So it's going to be right over
Oh,
here.
okay, yeah, so not too far from the 60. Okay.
Yep, so it's going to be right over there by Highland High School, kind of Morrison Ranch, kind of the new build area going on over there.
Okay. So at this point, you go through the listings and pick out which ones.
Right.
Now we're kind of breaking character right now, but
Oh, right.
you go through and pick out kind of some
That's fine.
favorites.
Yeah, this. Yeah,
So let's say we
that.
have like 4 or 5 of them. Then where would your transition be then at that point?
And it's like all
So we
right,
have like
well, it's
4.
perfect. Now it's time for step 3 to go look at some homes.
Okay.
I do have some time available today. If you have some time right after this, we can go out and check out a couple homes, kind of get your feet wet a little bit, kind of get your feedback on what you like, what you don't like.
Yeah.
And we can go from there. Does that sound good?
Yeah, I mean that's why I'm here. I want to
All
see
right,
homes.
well, perfect.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Yeah, okay.
We'll start off with the one on Harvard Avenue, and we'll work our way down. How does
Okay.
that sound?
Good.
All right, perfect.
Sounds good. All right, got it.
Yep.
Cool.
Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button below and hit the bell so you can get notifications every time we post new videos. Also, make sure to give us a like and comment below how you think Keen did on this buyer appointment, and make sure to come back.